I'm Ken, and I live here in Auburn, California. We installed solar with Sustainable Energy Group in 2008. It's now 2021, and it's pretty much worked flawlessly since it was installed. We had Sustainable Energy Group take our original array and upgrade the inverter on it. And I think it's part of the reason we haven't had any maintenance issues for so long here. My goal, and I sort of dragged my wife along for it, was to try and get us really close to not being a net generator, but at least be near zero annual kilowatt hours. So we upped the design from the 1.6 added, I think it was 6 kW is what Sustainable Energy Group added for us. For a whole bunch of years there, previous to having electric heat, we were pretty much at zero on that true-up. And so it was pretty easy to judge success. And it was very, the first year after we had the system installed.